Hi, my name is Mukashi, and I'll be presenting for Task 2 of Application Design 2. Now let's get started with the user flow. So this entire user flow is a new updated user flow, which is a chart. When the user first launch their app, they'll be at the launch page, which if they have an account, they can straight log in the login page. If they don't, they will need to go to the sign up page to register for an account. Then they'll be redirected to this homepage, which has some features. First one will be to change their locations, customize it. And by the way, the gray shapes are the features that are able to be implemented in this assignment. I don't see it very suitable for this assignment, so I will just blur it out as gray. Moving on, users will be, if the users are interested in an event, they will need to go to the event details page to look out for more information about the event, such as the display map of the venue and as well as the artist details with the event descriptions. So if they would like to get the ticket, they will need to go to the ticket purchasing page, which they are able to select the amount of the tickets that they would like to purchase, and then they need to go to the payment page to pay for the tickets. And they're able to select different payment methods. And after the payment is confirmed, they're able to have the options to check for the tickets or just go back to the homepage. If no, they will straight be redirected to the homepage, and if yes, they will be redirected to the ticket page, in which they are able to look back on some tickets that they have purchased or even current tickets that they have just purchased, and they can view the QR code. So initially, I would like to create a refund tickets page, but then I'm not able to implement into this assignment. Same goes to the user page, which is not the main function of this app. Alright, now let's move on to this user flow overview. So this one is the overall of the user flow with diagram as well as, and also to summarize the animations which will be applied to the pages shown here. So firstly, users will be at the launch page, which I mentioned already. Users are able to choose between the sign up and login. So even if they press on the sign up and login, they'll also be dissolving to the next page. Now let's move on to this sign up page. So upon at this sign up page, users can get the information and press the sign up button, and you'll dissolve to the next page, which is the overlay of the sign up, which is a feedback telling that the users they have successfully signed up for an account. After the delay, this overlay will be dissolving to this login page, in which users can click on this login button to dissolve to tell the users that they have logged in successfully. After the delay, you'll dissolve and they'll be redirected to this homepage, in which there are a few features. Users are able to scroll through this interface to look at some upcoming events, and for this highlighted events, users are able to horizontal scroll by drag or even press the buttons below. So once they press on this event, if they're interested, once they have clicked on this burger icon, the side panel overlay will be shown, which will be slight left from the right. Then users are able to go to the home page and my ticket page as well. And if they would like to go to my tickets, they'll just need to press on this, and this side panel and the home page will be sliding to the left. Then users will be redirected to this my ticket page, in which users are able to press on this ticket to expand or retract to show the QR code and as well as the tickets that they have. After that, if they would like to go back to the homepage, they can just click on this button, and this homepage will slide to the right and back to this homepage. So they're interested in one of this event, they'll be redirected to this event details page by sliding the page to the left. Then they'll be at this event details page, and they'll be at this event details page, which they can look into the details of the event, the description, the artist information, as well as the map. And if they would like to book now, they can click on this button, and the page will slide left and take them to this ticket details page, in which they're able to add the ticket amount or reduce the ticket amount by pressing on the plus or minus sign, and the numbers will increasing or decrease. Then the users can choose to pay the ticket right now. When the users click on this button, you'll be redirected to the payment page by sliding left. Then users are able to select or unselect the payment methods, which credit cards, online banking, or other payment methods. And upon confirming that you would like to buy the ticket, you can click on the payment button, and it will dissolve and show the overlay that the ticket payment is successful. Then users can choose to check their tickets or go back to the home. So if they would like to check tickets, they can check my tickets, click on this, and they'll be redirected to my ticket page. So now let's move on to the plan overview. So firstly, let's start off with this launch page, in which the onload is that the app, once launched, will be dissolved from black to this page will appear, and there will be sign up page or even login page. And the offload is that when users click on the sign up button, they'll be redirected, dissolved to this sign up page. Same goes to the login page as well. You cross dissolve to this page. Now let's move on to the sign up page. The back button will be sliding from the right to the sign up, and let us understand more. Will be sliding down from the top. This home section will be sliding down from the top as well. On the sign up button, it will be sliding to the top from the bottom as well. So the animations will be like this. Upon pressing on the sign up button, an overlay will be shown by dissolving from black and appear the overlay. Then the after is that it will cross dissolve, and after a few seconds of delay, it will be redirected to this login page. So in this login page, users are able to key in the informations, and for the animations, the back button will also be sliding left from the right. Login and type your email and passwords will slide from right from the left. And this form section will be sliding down from the top. The login button will be sliding up from the bottom as well. So when the users press on this button, they will also dissolve. Once the user press on this login button, this page will dissolve and overlay a page, the login successful overlay, in which they will be redirected by dissolving to the home page. So for this page, the burger icon and the location icon will be sliding down from the top, and whereas this highlighted event will be remaining at the same position. Same goes to this tabs panel, they also be remaining at the same position. The upcoming letter, it will be sliding to the right from the left, and the event pages will be sliding down. So there are some micro animations for this page which are able to allow users to horizontal scrolling or even press on the buttons to go through a few highlighted events. Now, if users are interested in this burger icon, they can click on this, which will be enable the side panel to slide right from the left and show a list of buttons. And if they would like to end the offload, is that users can just close this panel by clicking outside of the panel, and the side panel will be sliding left. And if users would like to click on my tickets page, and this side panel will be moving left from the right to this ticket section. Users can also access the tabs panel below by clicking on this tickets button, and the page will be sliding left from the right as well to the my tickets page. Now let's move on to the event page. If the users are interested in the event, they'll be transported to this event details page, in which the button will be sliding left from the right. The event thumbnail will be remaining at the same position. The informations right here will be sliding down from the top. Meanwhile, this book down button will be sliding up from the bottom. So if they would like to book the ticket, they can click on this button, and this whole page will be sliding left to the right and transition to the next page. So in the ticket details page, the animation for the button, back button right here, will be sliding left from the right as well. And this event details will be sliding down from the top, and this pay now button will be sliding up from the bottom. Meanwhile, this whole section of the ticket details will be sliding down from the top. So there's micro animations right here, which the users are able to click on the buttons right here to change the amount of the tickets that they would like. So as you can see, the buttons right here, you'll be changing the color as well to indicate that this button was pressed by changing the color, and as well as reducing the size to show that the button has been clicked. Once the user is interested in paying, they will be redirected to this payment page, in which the page will also be sliding left from the right. This main title will remain at the same position. Your payment methods will be sliding down from the top. Same goes to this payment methods. The payment methods buttons, which they will also be sliding down from the top, and the payments details will be sliding up from the bottom. So there is also a micro animation here, in which the user is able to click on this button to show that they have selected this credit card information. This radio button, they can either click on this radio button or the button right here to change the color and the words color as well. This one button will be changed from polo round to tick to show that the users have clicked on this button. And if they would like to pay, you can just click on this payment and an overlay. And once the payment is successful, an overlay will be shown by dissolving and users are able to click on this check my tickets to redirect to this my tickets page, or go back to the home. So for now, we'll be going to the check my tickets page, in which it will dissolve to my tickets page. So as you can see, the animations, this button will be sliding down from the top. The tickets will also be sliding down from the top as well. The touch panel will remain at the same position, but this tickets will be sliding up from the bottom. So there's also micro animations right here. When the users click on this tickets, they are able to expand and show the details, the QR code of this tickets. And if they click on this cross button, it will be redirected back to the original position. And if the users are interested, they can just click on other tickets to show when they are revealing on other tickets as well. So they can view the July 19 from the September 19 ticket just by clicking on this. So in this page, when click on the home page, users will also be redirected to the home page by the whole page sliding to the right, just like that. So now I will start the walkthrough of this event app without any commentary. So please enjoy. So now that wraps up for the walkthrough of this event app and also the end of my presentation. I hope to smoothen out the animations for this app. If possible, I would like to improve on the UI, the interface, the design of this application as well, and also to provide the full experience of this event app. And I hope that the animations that I have proposed are able to be transferred to the HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.